Hi friends, let's go to Hobby Lobby and see what they have for spring. This is video number 2. They have a lot of stuff, so I got to break these videos up. All right, so I spotted this. I think this was really cute. This is enamel, and this is really farmhouse, but with a lot of color, if you like color, which I love. And I think these are really adorable. They're so cute. They have cups. They have bowls. They have a lot of goodies. Look how cute this, I love this little mug, $14.99. I think it's so cute. I like these what are they, like canisters? Like little vases, I guess. All right, and this is really cute. I think this is a soap dish. This is adorable. Has little polka dots. A lot of black and white over here too. All right, these are little hooks. They're really cute. You can hang them in your kitchen. $9.99. Put your kitchen towel on it. This is cute with the little truck. I like how they put the flowers in that little mug. I think it looks really cute. And then they have these really nice canisters with lids with little cows on them. And this is a napkin holder, which I love. I think it's really cute because I like the black stripes around there. And this is a utensil holder for the forks, knives, and spoons. I like those big bowls that say moo. They're really cute. Butter and cream. Cute sign. Let's see how much. $8.99. Cute for the kitchen. All right, and I love these. They had these in Christmas time. I know that, but I love beads. So I think these are really cute. A lot of them hung them, on the stockings for, their kids and the family members with their initials. I just think they're really cute. And I'm actually looking for a T right there. I found it for our last name because I want to put that in my decor. All right, I'm going to show you letters. These are $3.99. They're wooden letters. You could do so many things with these letters. And then I found these really nice black, long, thin iron letters I'm just in love with. And then I found these really big letters. You can spell anything out. And then I found these like fancy script ones. That L reminds me of Laverne and Shirley. I don't know if you guys remember, but she always had that L on her shirt. But these are really cute too. And then they had these other galvanized ones. Put them in your children's room, spell out their names. You could do so many things with these. These little ones are cute too. And then these wooden ones. You can do so many crafts with these letters, guys. You can make signs. Endless stuff. All right, and then they had some like pink stuff for spring. I just want to show you. This is really not like my style, but maybe it's your style, and it is really cute and pretty. So I'll just give you a close look. Maybe you guys like it and you want to see. Just go window shopping. I know I like to do that. All right, and then I found these blue because blue is really my favorite color. These blue like kitchenware, I want to say. They're so adorable. I'm going to tell you what my favorite is. All right, I love these little teacups. Very pretty. They have a whole bunch of different patterns. $9.99. Some glasses, drinking glasses. I like this. This is really pretty because I love the blue flowers and then the red like flower trim on the top. Really pretty. And then they have these wooden bowls with blue patterns inside. Really pretty. $49.99. They have a rolling pin that's really cute. Measuring bowls, and then this chicken, and I think that's a cutting board in the back. Teacups, bowls. My favorite is the flower pattern though, what I would pick. Then some blue plates, platters. This is really cute too, utensils, and with the blue trim around. And then this cute little canister. That's really cute too. I like that one. $9.99. Then a big canister. Then some more like plates. Then I found some more blue kitchen dishes, whatever you want to call it. I think this is really interesting, and it looks like it's handmade. And this down here is my favorite. I love blue flowers like this. I love this canister. I want to buy this. And then I like this little bowl, and I like how they use the flowers in there. Very pretty. Sugar bowl. Yeah, this is my favorite set right now. Little dish back there. And look how pretty this green is. I love this green with the hobnail. Very pretty. I'm not going to touch it. I don't want to break it. I just felt like not moving everything around. But there's a teacup. There's a butter dish. There's bowls. There's mugs. There's this beautiful teapot. Let's see how much this is. Oh, I don't want to break it. $39.99. Cake stand. I just want to give you guys like a closer look. Salt and pepper shakers. And I love that they have like that brown rim. All right, and then I found this gather with those beads around. You know, I like it, but it's actually like a Lazy Susan, which I thought that was really great. I'm going to just give you an overlook. Go like a little window shopping, just see how they have everything together. And then I seen this red. I don't really use red, but it just caught my eye, and I wanted to show you guys. So pretty. They have bowls, $9.99, pitchers. I love this red pitcher. And then I love these three like canisters. They're not galvanized, they're not enamel. I think they're like a stoneware. A strainer, $24.99. So pretty. I like the red and the black rim. Milk jug. And then another pitcher. All right. And then I saw these beads. Hold on. Let me show you this first. This is really nice. This board with a hook. All right. These beads are really cute. You can hang pictures, signs, messages, positive messages to yourself every day. Stay a while. That's cute too, that hook. And then this is adorable. Welcome to our home. You could put that in the front of, your entryway, and then just hang up your coats, bags. All right, look how big this dough bowl is. I am in love with it, and I love how they put the plants in there. All right, let's see how much. $129.99. All right, and then I found this old country basket. $24.99. It's really cute for the kitchen. And these other baskets, which I like because they had that brass handles, really cute. And then another basket up there, those were cute too. They had all different sizes. These are all for spring. And these galvanized are so cute to put flowers in there. I just love them. They come in two sizes. Really pretty to hang up on your wall. And then I found this little tractor. $19.99. It's galvanized. You could put that even in your, in your garden. All right, sweet tea. That is cute. And then I found this home jars that spell home, Home. Each jar has a letter, and it's really cute. $49.99. And then I found a red truck. You could put that in your garden. You could put a plant back there. It was pretty big. And then I found these wreaths, two sizes, a small and a large one, which I think are really cute for spring. Put it on your door, in your garden, because they are enamel. And then I found this flour sugar canisters and coffee, which are so cute. I love them. Those are my favorite too. Pretty good priced. And then I found this three, what is that, pots, I guess, for planting. All right, and then I found this. This is very Magnolia Home. It's like a bud vase, which is really cute. And then I found these three enamel signs, perfect for the kitchen. A pig, a rooster, and what was the other one? A cow. They're really cute. I like those. Then I found this bless sign, this enamel bless sign. It's really cute. Okay. I couldn't see the price. It was ripped. And then a cute little enamel bucket, I guess. And then this platter, which is really pretty. $19.99. Okay, I love this. Welcome to our porch. It's a really big enamel sign. Let's see how much this is. I really like this one. $17.99, not bad. And then I found some cow pillows. $29.99. It's really cute. I would like to put that sign and then these pillows out of my porch. All right, and then I found some more canisters. Okay, that was heavy. $17.99. Really cute. I like those canisters. All right, and then I found like a milk bottle. I think this is really cute. All right, $14.99. And then I found some really cute, very farmhouse vases. This is like a vase kind of picture. It's pretty thin. $11.99. These are really pretty for spring. And there's some little like crock pots. All right, and this big butter dish. It's so big I couldn't even grab it. $14.99. And then this is a very pretty picture. $17.99. Put beautiful flowers in there for the spring. That's what I envision. All right, and then I found these floor pillows, which I love. This gray one is really pretty. I'm trying to see the price. All right, it's blurry. I think it was $69.99 though. And then this black one with the black stripe. And then I love this blue pinstripe. So I thought those were really cute. And then I found this display I wanted to show you guys for spring. Really cute stuff. And my favorite is this one, guys. $49.99, this white shutter. I want to buy that one. And then a big like milk jug. And then I found this other display. I'm actually loving this wooden, I don't know what you want to call it. It's $49.99. I like that one. It's really pretty. And then this too, I like that behind there. And then I like this mirror. Very pretty mirror. All right, and then some birdhouses. Okay, I'm going to show you some tables. I love this table with the galvanized and the wood. I want to take that home. That is my favorite. I love the wood, how washed it is. Let's see how much it is, because I want it. Okay, there it is. $127.99. And this is a nice side table. Really nice. $69.99 with a drawer. Love the spindles, the legs. This is a nice cabinet. They're all like 30% off. Okay, and I love this one, but this one is already taken. Someone's buying it, but I just want to show you guys. All right, and then they have some garden stools. 30% off too. I love this. I would love to have this like in my craft room and just have all my stuff in these drawers. I just love it. $139.99. It's pretty tall and has a lot of drawers. And I like it's all different style. And then I found this cabinet with 4 drawers in the middle and then barn doors. I love it. It's white. The doors slide. You can hide things in there. And I love this because this has enamel on the side and enamel handles. So pretty. I just love this. The wood and the enamel together. I just love it. And then I found so many galvanized, what are these, wash bins, whatever you want to call it. $129.99 is the big one, but they have 3 sizes and some 2 different styles. You could put plants in there. You could put your laundry. All right, and then I found this. 3 drawers. This would be so perfect so I could put my kids' stuff in there because I have 3 kids, and then I could put their school supplies or their school papers in there. I like this. It's enamel drawers. And then I found this beautiful, this is pretty big. I just love it because it has wood, and then it has a chicken wire, and then it has the frames. You could put, beautiful pictures of you and your family. This is really nice. And then I found another display I wanted to show you guys. Our nest, really cute. And then I found this tobacco basket shelf, which was really cute. I like that it's arched on the top. And then I found some other baskets, and I love this sign. Welcome to our home. And then I found Home Sweet Home basket, which is cute to keep like in front of your house, in front of your door. You could put your shoes or whatever. Anyway, I found these galvanized tires. That's what I see, but it's so pretty for spring. You could put flowers in there. All right, and then I found these baskets. You know what? It's really tall up there. I'm tippy-toeing and I can't reach how much everything is. So I'm not going to show you right now how much it is. I can't reach. All right, and these are my favorite baskets. They're so cute. Hang them on your wall. You can actually put real plants because that's why they have that plastic in there. My favorite. All right, thank you guys for watching. I will go to Hobby Lobby again because it is so big. They have so many things. I can't do it in one video, and I usually show you guys the things I like. So I hope you like what I like, but I will be going to Hobby Lobby again, and I will show you more spring things. And stay tuned because I'm going to show you what they had for Easter. All right, don't forget, watch my other videos, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe so you can see more of my videos. All right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to always remember to keep designing life. Bye!